As the chill of winter settles in, bringing with it shorter days and frosty evenings, many of us hunker down, embracing the warmth inside. However, this season presents unique challenges for our green companions, the plants. Winter plant care is not just a necessity, but a strategy to ensure that your indoor gardens remain vibrant and healthy throughout the colder months. Today, we delve into thoughtful techniques and tips that will help your plants thrive, even when the world outside seems frozen and lifeless. When it comes to winter plant care, the first essential element we consider is light. With daylight hours significantly reduced, it's vital to maximize the natural light your plants receive. Position them near south-facing windows where sunlight is most abundant, and periodically rotate the pots to ensure even light exposure. If you find natural light insufficient, investing in grow lights can simulate the sunshine and provide the spectrum your plants need for photosynthesis. Next, let's discuss temperature. Indoor plants prefer stable conditions, yet winter can bring about drafts from leaky windows and doors, creating unwanted cold zones. It's crucial to keep your plants away from such drafts as well as any direct contact with heating sources like radiators, which can dry the soil and scorch leaves. Maintaining a consistent indoor temperature between 65 to 75 degrees Fahrenheit will be ideal for most houseplants. Humidity is another significant factor often overlooked during winter care. As we crank up the heat to combat the cold, indoor air becomes dry, much to the dismay of our plants that thrive in more humid conditions. Consider using a humidifier or placing a tray of water near your plants to increase moisture in the air. Grouping plants together can also create a microclimate of higher humidity, offering them the little respite they need from the drying effects of artificial heating. While your instinct might be to continue your regular watering routine, winter necessitates a change. Plants' growth slows during this season, meaning their water requirements decrease. Overwatering can lead to root rot, a common problem in winter. Allow the top inch of soil to dry out completely between waterings and always ensure pots have proper drainage. Keep an eye on signs of distress and remember, less is often more when it comes to watering in the winter months. Finally, feeding your plants takes on a different rhythm in winter. Since growth naturally slows during this time, cut back on fertilizing until spring. Over-fertilizing can lead to salt buildup in the soil, harming the plants rather than helping. A light feeding towards the end of winter can prepare them for the burst of growth in spring, but until then, let them rest and reserve their energy. Winter plant care is a practice of patience and observation, tuning into the subtle signals your plants provide. By adjusting light, temperature, humidity, watering, and feeding practices, you can create an environment where your plants not only survive but continue to display their natural beauty. As the snow blankets the earth outside, let your home be a sanctuary of green, a testament to nature's resilience and your careful stewardship. Embrace these strategies and watch as your plants emerge from winter healthy and ready for the flourishing season ahead.